Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This guide shows how to use Wi-Fi direct on a Windows 11 laptop. You need a Windows 11 laptop with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled at all times. Ensure the other device runs Windows 10 or Windows 11 for nearby sharing to work. Nearby sharing uses Wi-Fi direct to send files without an access point, providing faster transfers and a direct peer connection. Keep devices within typical Wi-Fi direct range, usually under 30 feet. Charge both devices to avoid transfer interruptions during large files. Open Settings, then choose System, then select Nearby Sharing to enable it. Turn the switch on so your laptop becomes discoverable by other devices. Set sharing to everyone nearby or choose My Devices only for more privacy. Ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radios are turned on before sharing starts. Optionally choose where to save received files, such as downloads or a custom folder you select. Confirm the other device follows the same steps and is visible in the share list on your laptop. To send, open File Explorer, right-click a file and choose Share, then Nearby Sharing. Select the target device from the list and wait for the receiving device to accept. Accept the transfer prompt on the receiving device to start the Wi-Fi direct send immediately. For large files, expect faster speeds than Bluetooth, but plan for several minutes per gigabyte. If transfers fail, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radios, then retry the transfer. As a last resort, restart both devices and confirm nearby sharing settings before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.